Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we are discussing one of the most significant shifts in the U.S. medical device regulatory landscape in decades: the transition from the Quality System Regulation, or QSR, to the new Quality Management System Regulation, known as the QMSR. On February 2, 2024, the FDA issued a final rule to amend the Device Good Manufacturing Practice requirements of 21 CFR Part 820. This amendment substantially aligns the FDA's framework with the International Consensus Standard, ISO 13485-2016. The final compliance date for this transition is February 2, 2026. A deadline that is approaching faster than many realize. For years, manufacturers selling devices in the United States and other key global markets have faced the complex and costly burden of maintaining two separate, albeit similar, quality management systems. This harmonization is the FDA's strategic effort to reduce that redundancy and streamline regulatory processes for the industry. However, this is not a simple replacement. The new QMSR incorporates ISO 13485 by reference, but does not eliminate 21 CFR Part 820 entirely. Instead, it creates a new integrated system with additional FDA-specific requirements that manufacturers must follow. The primary challenge firms are now facing is the harmonization of their global quality documentation. Simply adopting an ISO 13485 certificate will not be sufficient for compliance. Companies must conduct a thorough gap analysis between their existing QSR-based system and the requirements of the new QMSR. Key differences in emphasis, such as the comprehensive integration of risk management throughout the product lifecycle as required by ISO 13485, demand more than just procedural updates. It requires a foundational shift in how quality is managed. Furthermore, manufacturers must remember that certain uniquely American requirements will be preserved. The QMSR will include specific provisions related to device labeling, traceability with unique device identification, or UDI, and the stringent processes for complaint handling and medical device reporting, or MDR. Preparing for this transition involves a significant strategic effort, including updating all relevant documentation, retraining personnel on the new blended requirements, and ensuring that internal and external audit processes are adapted. The clock is ticking, and proactive preparation is the only way to ensure a smooth transition and uninterrupted market access. If your firm needs assistance navigating the transition to the QMSR or requires support with your global market access strategy, we invite you to check out Pure Global. We specialize in creating efficient pathways for regulatory approval. For more resources, including our free AI tools and database, please see the link in the description. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.